Hi everyone. I got a package from Danny and I wanted to show you guys what he sent me. So I opened it, but this is the first thing I see. Remember that little, yeah, 10 millimeter socket, and he'll just sit because the legs move. Look, the legs move on a 3D printed little item. The legs move so he can just sit by my desk and yeah, I like it. I still find it funny. I know some people don't. I don't particularly care. So here we go. Oh, there's a bigger one. There's a bigger one in here. So hang on. We got to see the size comparison here. Yeah, we got two of them. So, yeah. Ah, it's just my sense of humor. So anyway, yeah, I like them. Now, what you see are more dragons. So hang on. Because he made us toothless, he also made us the girlfriend. Isn't she cute? Her legs move. All the pieces move from the 3D printer. The tail moves beautifully. I love this. And she's got wings. Hang on. She does have wings. We'll have to put them on. Okay? We'll have to pop her wings on. There's one. There's one. So yeah, now we have both. I love this so much. I'll tag the dragon's real name in the description. And what else did we get? It looks like more. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, hang on, guys. Let me put this down so we can take a good look at this one. Wow. Look at this. Look at the colors. Looks like he's sleeping. Oh, I love the layered look. It reminds me of lines on a rock. Yeah, this reminds me of fortification lines on a rock. Oh, I love the club at the end of the tail. That's cool. Oh, that's so neat. Oh, look at the lines in the tail. Oh, I love this one. This one's really neat. Okay, hang on. We got another one in here too. This one's bigger. Oh my goodness. Okay, hang on. And in different colors. Where's the head? Oh, wow. Look at this one. Oh, this one's got lines in it too. It's just much finer. I love the color morph change. I need to figure out where I'm going to place all these dragons because I'd like to display them in my room. Yep, they are really, really neat. So cool. And hang on. Oh, look. I got two of them. Huh? I got a 3D printed license plate. I love the all green. That's gonna go up on my wall somewhere. And then look at this. Oh, I love that color. Neat. So all green. And green and a kind of goldish. And then the dragons, both of these color ones are amazing. Like I said, they remind me of rocks. The way the layers of color are formed, they're gorgeous. And then my little sockets and toothless girlfriend. Aw, this was a really, really neat gift. Thank you so much, Danny. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy the 3D printing and what you can do with one of them. It's amazing. Have a great day, everyone.